All right, right now everybody is really flipping out about this coronavirus. Listen, I am not going to try to tame down the severity of the virus and the infection it can actually cause. However, there is a little bit of alarm that should not be. Because like the flu, or just like the flu, it is a virus. The flu is a virus. There's about 0.1% of the people who actually get the flu actually die, which is a bad thing. Right now it's about 2% people who get coronavirus actually die, which is a terrible thing. That's high. It's way too high. But here's what, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of this virus, and here's why. Because I actually take the time and I value my health to make sure my immune system is in order. That's what it's all about. If you have a nice, good, healthy body immune system, your body, yes, you'll be infected, but it will actually kill off the virus before you can actually move on and not worry about it anymore. And the good thing about it is, more than likely, your body will recognize that it's a virus, the coronavirus, and if you were around it again, you will not get sick, because that's how the human body actually works. It's actually pretty phenomenal. So, here's what I do. So number one, I work on my physical health every single day. I exercise, I sweat, cardiovascular. I want my cardiovascular system, my blood pumping, my heart's feeling good. I just want to be in tip-top shape. That way, when things happen, my circulation will be there. My inflammation will be low. Number two, I eat, for the most part, very well. Plant-based diet, some fish. Yes, I have some French fries here and there, but for the most part, plants, vegetables, not a lot of processed foods, not a lot of high fatty foods. I'm taking care of my body, physically, and also internally and internally and externally, because I want to make sure I live a long time. And if you do those things and you're relatively healthy, you don't have to worry. Because really, I think what they're not sharing is that those who actually are passing away are the ones who are unhealthy or already have some kind of problem as it is already. So, listen, it's a serious thing. It's new. It's unknown. That's why it's scary. But listen, I am not scared. I'm a dentist, a medical professional. I have no problem traveling around. I have no problem going anywhere. Because if I'm exposed to something, I know my body is going to be resilient. And I believe in my mind I'll be resilient. So do the proper things. Eat well. Exercise. Take care of yourself. Don't drink a lot of alcohol. Right? Love you. And you love your body will take care of you, okay? Don't worry.